Hello and welcome back to How to Webmaster. This is part 3 of our YouTube Shorts for Internet Marketers tutorial series. If you've missed part 1 and 2, check the links below in the video description. In this part 3, we will quickly talk about how to add shorts to your featured channel section. Also, we'll talk about monetization ideas and examples from successful YouTube Shorts creators. Let's get started now. Add YouTube Shorts as a featured section. One of the easiest methods of gaining more views for your videos is to add them to the featured section. YouTube algorithms gather information over time and recommend featured videos that they believe are useful or relevant to you. This is why whenever you post the video in the featured category, YouTube automatically suggests it to a larger audience and you will get more attention. Here's how. Step 1. From your web browser, log into the YouTube account. Step 2. On your YouTube Studio page, click on Customization. Step 3. Now, click the Add section in the Layout tab. Select Short Videos from the drop-down menu and add the YouTube Shorts category. Finally, press the Publish button to save your modifications. Be aware that other elements are at work. However, in general, the videos that are featured in the section will be highly recommended to your viewers faster. Optimize YouTube Shorts. Optimizing a short video isn't that different than optimizing a normal YouTube video. 1. Attractive thumbnail. The thumbnail can be described as the visual representation of the video and lets viewers take a short glance at what the video's subject matter is. Therefore, ensure you have a compelling thumbnail as you can get more eyeballs viewing it. The image must be clear and have any text in bold, large words to make it easier for viewers to comprehend. Avoid using incorrect thumbnails that are clickbaits. Your videos might receive more attention initially. However, your channel will lose credibility and subscribers over time. 2. Compelling title. It doesn't matter how great your short videos is if viewers aren't able to find them, which is why YouTube titles and tags are so crucial. Make sure you have a captivating title and include relevant keywords in it. Additionally, it is better when the title is in sync with the video's thumbnail image. 3. Detailed description. A description for a video is the description that appears below every video, which should contain the details about the nature of the video, and be sure to include keywords here as well. A properly optimized description can help bring your short video to higher positions on YouTube and increase the number of views. 4. Shorts tags. The tags for your short videos are primarily used by YouTube algorithms to analyze the content of the video. Therefore, be sure to include relevant tags in all of your videos. For example, the phrase #shorts in your title or description indicates that the video was created for YouTube Shorts. In the same way, other tags show the subject matter and nature of the video. This allows YouTube to comprehend the category of the video, link it to other similar videos, and place it higher in terms of search results. Let's discuss some ways to earn money from YouTube Shorts. YouTube has announced the YouTube Shorts Fund, an amount of $100 million that will be distributed from 2021 to 2022. Anyone can participate in the fund by creating original shorts that are a delight to members of the YouTube community. Regarding this program, a thing to keep in mind is its distinction in relation to YouTube's partner program. This means that you don't require 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 viewing hours as you do on YouTube's partner program. This sounds like a fantastic opportunity for brand new channels. But there's one caveat. This is an invitation-only offer according to the official YouTube announcement. Every month, they set out to contact the thousands of artists whose shorts have received the most engagement and views to reward their efforts. If you're a creator for YouTube that has been making shorts for a while, you've done the right thing. What direction YouTube will follow regarding YouTube Shorts is expected to grow immensely over time. They are likely to keep expanding their shorts budgets. This is because the $100 million figure is a small amount in comparison to the $30 billion they've paid their YouTube partner creators in the last 3 years. For now, if you didn't receive an invitation initially, don't worry. Creating YouTube Shorts is not all about getting a piece of the YouTube funds. You should focus on creating shorts because it can go viral and help your channel explode overnight. Short-form content, whether articles, videos, or text that appears in images, memes, can go viral quickly. It is because people believe that they've got time to view that short video or image or text. But instead, what they do are watching short videos for hours. In addition to the normal method of making YouTube content, it's important not to forget the 2 points they mentioned in their official blogs. Original content. Indeed, YouTube has made it clear that it will be sending monetization invitations to Shorts creators that have created original content. That's an obvious indication not to copy TikTok or Reels and post them as your own YouTube Shorts. Simple algorithms can spot the TikTok logo in your videos, and this can get you rejected for YouTube monetization invitations. Be aware of any copyrighted music you use, as this can also get you rejected. Be sure that your shorts comply with the guidelines of the community. Need more ideas to make money through YouTube Shorts? Here are 3 YouTube creators doing shorts with fantastic results. 1. Jake Fellman. As with any other typical tutorial channel, Jake made tutorials on a popular program, Maya. His typical tutorial videos received several 100,000 views at the most. In September of 2020, he tried out creating animated videos with the Shorts video format. They were a blend of his expertise that he has developed in 3D arts and narrative. In addition, he took advantage of a huge trend while creating his Shorts videos about the game Among Us. So, by combining shorts with trending topics, Jake's channel blew up almost overnight. His YouTube videos surpassed the mark of 130 million viewers. 2. Phone Repair Guru. For certain areas of tech, fast and concise videos are a good idea for certain niches of technology. For example, Phone Repair Guru specializes in videos that provide short instructions on how to change the lens on your iPhone cameras. They also make videos on screen replacements for phones like the Samsung Galaxy and tricks and tips on customizing phones. The channel was primarily focused on these short videos even before the Shorts format was introduced on YouTube. They have since taken advantage of the new YouTube Shorts format, and obviously their channel has shot up to the moon since then. Even their old short videos have gained new views thanks to the rise of YouTube Shorts. 3. vidIQ. If you're a software company, then long-form tutorial videos is useful for showcasing your software and getting new views, subscribers, and customers. But how does a boring typical software company benefit from YouTube Shorts? Take a look at vidIQ YouTube channel. This is a company that offers software for YouTube creators. Rob, the main host of this channel, frequently creates brief news updates of 1-minute videos on what's trending on YouTube. He also makes videos about how much views his trending videos are getting. This is entertaining and attracts a lot of viewers who are also YouTube creators. These viewers are all potential customers for his software. This company even has a separate Shorts channel and separate from their main channel. So, if you believe including Shorts in your current channel is risky and could affect users' experience with your current YouTube viewers, establishing an entirely dedicated channel to Shorts could be a better option. Alright guys, this is the end for part 3 of our tutorial series on internet marketing with YouTube Shorts. Please subscribe to our channel, How to Webmaster. Be sure to check out the links down below in the video description for part 4. Thank you again for viewing and happy marketing.